My Maytag dryer has a sign F4 and E1.
Do you know the model of your Maytag dryer? How old is it?
Medb835dw3.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag dryer? What have you tried so far?
Just happened I moved to a different house.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The dyer is not start.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. I am not able to take a call, as I am working from home. I do not send phone call requests, the site generates those automatically, so please ignore those requests unless you want to call. You will see them pop up. If you do not want a phone call, ignore them. Please stand by while I look up the model and error codes. That is defined as an issue with the heater, heat relays or circuits. Is the dryer heating? First off, unplug the dryer from outlet for 5 minutes, then plug back in, to see if the computer board reset clears the error. If not, then likely a part has failed or wire is loose in the heat circuit. To test parts on the heat circuit, view this link, and diagram of area. https://www.easyapplianceparts.com/model-sections.asks. Model ID equals 6760396 and model num equals Medb835dw3 and MFG model num equals and manufacturer ID equals 1 and selected equals 3 EDBA134A50760F38460E5C76B31F8BD470 and position equals 1 and manufacturing equals Maytag and type equals dryer and mark equals 1. Part 14 is the heat element, and on the side of element case you will see 2 thermostat parts. Parts 47 and 48 you want to inspect the element, and those thermostats to see if any wires are loose to those, and repair if so. Or reseat connections if needed. If wires are good, then you want to remove wires from each of those parts and isolate them from the circuit and using an ohm meter check all for continuity, and if any part is open and has no continuity, you want to replace that part. You also want to check parts 41 and 42 that are on the housing exterior of the blower well housing next to the element. One part is a thermal fuse and the other is a thermostat. Check for continuity on each of those as well. Replace failed part if you find it. If all parts test good, then likely the computer relay board is faulty and would need to be replaced.
Do you have a video for these matters?
I do not.
What it mean when they pop F4? E1. I don't have the test, but I will look for one tomorrow.
Again, this is what that error is defined as, that is defined as an issue with the heater, heat relays or circuits. That is why you need to test those parts, and inspect the wires because the error is not exactly defined clearly. It has to do with no voltage to the element.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.